Hi mga millennials! For today's vlog, we're here at the Magnate Coffee Bar. Located yan mga millennials dito mismo sa likod ng Clark City Front beside Madison Crown Hotel. Formerly known as Louis Grand. So ano pang hinihintay niyo mga millennials? Let's G!
The Magnate Coffee Bar is a cozy bar where great coffee meets good vibes. Perfect for quick catch-ups or relaxed night with family or friends. Unwind at this coffee bar with delicious bites, cocktails by night, and a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Alige pasta na creamy at malasa at puno ng sarap ng crab. Unwind at this coffee bar with delicious bites. And it's awesome! Napaka-crispy ng kanilang chicken crunch and match sa kanilang suka. And it's awesome! Nagustuhan ko rin ang kanilang creamy spinach dip with crackers. Na-enjoy ko ang kanilang frozen margarita. And it's awesome! And of course, super love ko rin ang kanilang tequila sunrise. Open nga pala sila mga millennials from Tuesday to Sunday. Meron din nga pala silang available na private room for family or friends. So what are you waiting for mga millennials? Visit na kayo dito sa The Magnate Coffee Bar. Bye guys! Love, love, love!